Hi there, for today's read aloud, we will be reading the fable, The Lion and the Mouse, adapted by Shannon Eric Denton. Adapted means that Shannon Denton is not the person who originally came up with the story, The Lion and the Mouse. Shannon Denton got the story, The Lion and the Mouse, that was written many, many, many years ago, and made it into his own. So there's a few things that might be a little bit different, maybe the words, maybe the ending, we'll find out. So this is a short fable, meaning this story is not going to be taking a long time to read. That's part of the characteristics of fables. They're not very long stories. Another thing to remember about fables is they're fictional stories, meaning they're made up, they're fake. We are also going to see animals that act like humans. The setting is typically outside, meaning sometimes it's outside for the most part. There's always a lesson or moral to be learned. So we, the readers, can learn something from the story. So we are going to be looking out for those things. Characters act like humans. Animals act like humans. A lesson to be learned, and to see if the setting is outside. Okay, let's go ahead and look at the cover and the title, The Lion and the Mouse, to make the best possible prediction. Okay, let's go ahead and start reading. One day, a bored mouse was watching a sleeping lion. The mouse decided it would be fun to surf down the lion. Do you think that's a good idea for the mouse to do that, or a bad idea? I don't think it's a good idea. You see the little light bulb? So the mouse slid down the lion's leg. Look at the mouse. He's having so much fun, and the lion is still sleeping. Do we think this is a good idea or bad? I still think it's a bad idea. Let's keep reading and see what happens. Suddenly, the lion woke up and saw the mouse. Look at the lion's face and the mouse's face. The lion looks really mad, doesn't he? And what do you think the mouse is feeling? Very scared. Probably. The lion caught the mouse with his paw. So I'm going to give you a moment to make a prediction. Use this picture and use what you know about lions and mice and what we've read so far to make the prediction, okay? Okay, let's keep reading and see if your prediction comes true. Please, please let me go, the mouse begged. Do you think the lion's going to let the mouse go? Thumbs up or down? Gotta keep reading. I'll do anything to pay you back, the mouse cried. The lion found the mouse's begging funny. Is that nice, to be laughing at someone? Okay, you may go, the lion said. It looks like the lion still might be laughing at the mouse. That afternoon, the lion continued on his way. I think this is a good opportunity for us to make another prediction. So here's the lion. Everything seems to be okay, but do you predict something is going to happen? I'm going to give you a moment to make a prediction. Okay, let's keep reading and see if your prediction comes true. He was soon trapped in a hunter's net. Was this your prediction? Did you think this was going to happen? He looks very scared now. The lion roared his anger, and the mouse heard him. What do you think the mouse is going to do? Do you think he's going to leave the lion? Do you think he's going to help him? Okay, let's keep reading and find out. The mouse chewed through the ropes and freed the lion. Did you think that was going to happen? Did you think the mouse was going to help the lion and free him? Okay, let's keep reading to find out. The lion was surprised the mouse had freed him. Why do you think the lion was surprised by the mouse freeing him? Do you think it's because the lion, whenever he caught the mouse, he didn't treat him very nicely? He was laughing at him when he was begging, and he was kind of not, yeah, he wasn't very nice. But the mouse didn't laugh at the lion. Even though he was trapped, he didn't laugh at him, and he helped him instantly, didn't he? So do you think that's why the lion might be surprised? He didn't think the mouse was going to do that. Together, the lion and his new friend walked away. Did you think they were going to become friends? This is a nice ending. Okay, the moral of the story is, little friends may prove to be great friends. So we are going to talk about this a little bit more because that could be a little bit confusing. Little friends may prove to be great friends. So even though he's a mouse, even though he's little and the lion is big, that doesn't matter. They can be friends, and the mouse can help the lion. Even though he's small, he can help him, and he proved that he did. We'll talk about this a little bit more. Let's go ahead and go to the front of the book and talk about the elements of fable and see if we notice any of those characteristics in this story. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this fable, The Lion and the Mouse. So let's talk about the lesson that we just read, the moral. What that means to me is, no matter the size, we should help each other because those kind deeds, those kind words, always get rewarded. So whenever the lion let the mouse go, the mouse was like, okay, you know, that's nice. He let me go. I'm free. I guess he remembered that, and then whenever the lion was in trouble, he came to help him. So the lion was rewarded with his nice deed of letting him go, right? So it doesn't matter the mouse was small, the lion still needed his help, and the mouse helped him. So that's just a little moral. Doesn't matter the size. Doesn't matter the size of your friend, whether they're small or big. If you help them, you might get rewarded later on. You might need their help. Okay, so it's always nice to be kind to others and help them if they need help. So let's talk about the elements of this story, the characteristics, okay? So in fables, the setting is typically outside. Was that true for this story? Was the setting outside? Yep. Were there animals that acted like humans? Yep, the mouse and lion were talking and acting like humans, so yep. Is this story fictional? Is it fake? Yes, you're not going to have a mouse and a lion talking like that, no. So, yep. Was this story short? Could it be read in one sitting? Yep. Okay, and then was there a moral or lesson in this story that we the reader learned from? There was. What was it again? Doesn't matter the size of your friend. If they need help, help them. Because you may need help one day, and those kind words and kind deeds can be rewarded. All right. Again, I hope you enjoyed the story, The Lion and the Mouse.